This is Max. He's going to show us his mad skills. Show us your mad skills, Max. Well, those skills weren't that mad. How about we do the one that's not a big puddle?
I can find my orange one.
Your orange ball? Xander, that's a bad one for you to get on. Oh, this video is terrible. This is just the worst video ever. Oh, those skills are pretty mad. Xander, stay out of the water, buddy.
Okay, I'll get one, Henry.
Oh, he jumped right in the water.
I'll get another orange one.
Those are your only shoes. This started out as a video of Max's mad skills. Its ending is a video of Xander's mad skills. Mad getting wet skills. Oh, I don't even think a grandmother could watch this all the way through. So this video is terrible. It's easily the worst video I've ever recorded. Donna, I feel like I owe you an apology for this video. Will you show us your mad skills yet?
Sure.
All right, let's do it. Show us on this one. Look at those mad skills.
Pretty impressive.
Oh,
It's a minute.
just a minute. Hold on. Mad skills weren't on display yet. I didn't bust them out, but I will in a second. Get in there. Nice. Tap it in. Brush it in there. Brush it in there. Nice. Look at those mad skills.
Now do a dance. Do your victory dance.
That's where his mad skills really exist.
All right. Good job. Hey, Xander. Xander, show us your mad skill.
Oh, that was close.
I think he just pooped his pants. Did you guys see that? You have mad poop in your pants skills? Yeah. All right. Well, everybody blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Who can blow a kiss for me? Is it Max? Oh, that's a nice one.